Bonjour. Welcome to a simple French conversation for beginners. In this video, you'll hear a natural exchange between someone visiting an apartment and the person showing it. Stay until the end, where we'll review useful words and phrases from the dialogue with real examples. Let's begin.
Bonjour, je viens pour visiter l'appartement. Hello, I'm here to visit the apartment.
Bonjour. Entrez. Je vous en prie. Hello. Come in, please.
Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much.
Voici le salon. Il est spacieux et lumineux. Here is the living room. It is spacious and bright.
Ah oui, il est très joli. Oh yes, it's very nice.
La cuisine est juste ici, à gauche. The kitchen is right here, on the left.
Elle est moderne. Est-ce qu'il y a un four? It's modern. Is there an oven?
Oui, il y a un four et un réfrigérateur. Yes, there is an oven and a refrigerator.
Parfait. Et combien de chambres? Perfect. And how many bedrooms?
Il y a deux chambres. There are 2 bedrooms.
Puis-je les voir? Can I see them?
Bien sûr. Voici la première chambre. Of course. Here is the first bedroom.
Elle est calme et a une grande fenêtre. It's quiet and has a big window.
Et voici la deuxième, un peu plus petite. And here is the second one, a bit smaller.
C'est parfait pour un bureau. It's perfect for an office.
Exactement. La salle de bain est ici. Exactly. The bathroom is here.
Elle est propre et il y a une douche. It's clean and there's a shower.
Oui, la douche est neuve. Yes, the shower is new.
L'appartement est très agréable. The apartment is very nice.
Merci. Le loyer est de 750 € par mois. Thank you. The rent is 750 euros per month.
Les charges sont-elles incluses? Are utilities included?
Oui, tout est inclus sauf l'électricité. Yes, everything is included except electricity.
Je suis très intéressé. I'm very interested.
Vous pouvez me contacter si vous décidez de le prendre. You can contact me if you decide to take it.
D'accord. Merci pour la visite. All right. Thank you for the visit.
Well done. You just followed a practical conversation in French. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the useful words and phrases you heard, complete with examples from the dialogue. Ready? Let's go. Nouns.
Appartement.
Apartment.
Salon.
Living room.
Cuisine.
Kitchen.
Réfrigérateur.
refrigerator,
chambre,
bedroom,
fenêtre,
window,
salle de bain,
bathroom,
douche,
shower,
loyer,
rent. Verbs,
venir,
to come,
entrer,
to enter,
voir,
to see,
décider,
to decide,
contacter,
to contact. Adjectives,
spacieux,
spacious,
lumineux,
bright,
joli,
nice,
moderne,
modern,
calme,
quiet,
petit,
small,
propre,
clean,
neuf,
new. Prepositions,
ici,
here,
à gauche,
on the left,
sauf,
except,
pour,
for. Great job! You've just learned how to talk about apartments in French, from asking questions to understanding descriptions and discussing rent. Don't forget to review the vocabulary and replay the dialogue to build your confidence and fluency. We post new videos regularly, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. À bientôt!